is that underneath you? Smart, good. I had a guy that put one on top of his helmet. Last one I had, and it just went flying off in the first rapid.
I figured that. I saw the helmets. I was like, this is just gonna fly off.
Yeah, exactly. There's probably 10,000 GoPros in this river. I would imagine.
Wow. I think that's how I got mine.
So everyone's first time to Alaska.
Yep.
Pros, cons. This is the time to feel like I'm also a part-time therapist.
Rain is the only thing. The cons keep going to stick in the clouds.
What's that?
The rain.
Yeah.
It's just the visibility part of it. What you're
Yeah,
not
exactly.
seeing.
Yeah, James, big spot on.
Yeah.
I know.
Visibility.
And
You
we
want to
spent
see
the
it
first
either at night.
4 days, almost 5 days, and it never stopped raining.
Yeah.
All 24 hours. Yeah. 5 days straight.
Todd can commiserate with you on that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we did whatever.
We did it anyway. We're like,
You in Juneau? Well, you got to.
Yeah.
You're only here for
a couple of planes, like our float plane canceled, and we had
We're in a rain
like
Yeah, it
boat
never
and
stopped.
Whittier, it canceled.
We stayed in
So we've had to
we stayed in a yurt 3 days.
Oh, nice.
And the noise from the rain,
Which is unbearable.
yeah, it was almost unbearable.
I mean, don't get me
So
wrong,
loud.
James, like I like a good rainfall for ambiance to fall asleep, but when it's like torrential downpour,
Yeah.
even you're right, like
On that kind of roof, it was loud.
I bet it was really loud.
Yeah, they're lay there going,
This could be 300 days of rain.
Please. All somehow. Big rock. Yeah. Big rock. Big rock. Ready to go.
I don't mind it right now. All right, team, paddles ready. Let's get all forward. Keep it going, you guys. Looking good. Keep it going. Go. And stop.
Well, that was another one, James.
Right.
Okay, good. I was hoping not to just find them, you know. Okay, you know. Yeah, feet are getting a bit. Well, not like cold. We're getting cold.
So, quick side note. See those two dinglings in the orange raft?
Yeah.
Keep your eye on them. We may be able to see a flip today.
Klamath River like that.
Yeah. The upper Klamath is a phenomenal river. It's got something for everyone. Working on that river was like, it wasn't even worth it.
You guided on it?
Yeah. Yeah, on the upper K, I was guiding on the upper Klamath, and that is some, when it gets high water, I will say that is class 5, hands down. They say it's class 4, but yes, like that is Western, class 5 all the way. Yeah. It is a phenomenal river. It really is. All right, team, let's hit this wave right in front of us. Put your feet in, all forward. Get ready for it. Let's go. And stop. Nicely done. Nicely done. How you doing, dear? Okay.
That was fun. That's what them do. Oh no, they didn't. Or not that.
Yeah, you got a good dose that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, makes it so wet right now.
They are. That's yeah. You're right.
Little boat.
They're not heavy enough, so that's also what's gonna take their butts too. All right, team, all forward again. Avoid this rock up here.
We got a spot that's better than that.
Okay.
How you doing?
I can't give them all my parlor tricks yet, but yeah, we do. So, as my associate just said, so you guys, everything right there, that was kind of our warm-up, all right?
Right.
That was our warm-up.
For it.
Let's go. Okay? All right, wedge your feet in. I want to hit this dead on, all right? All forward. This is going to be a big hit. Keep it going. And stop. Nice.
I have a feeling if you go in, I'm going too. So.
I saw the bottom.
You know, it was a real dip. Yeah.
Now you guys are prepared.
That will work.
So really quickly, for some of you that are new to this, how the whitewater rating system goes, I was just talking to James about this. It goes from a 1 to 5,
Wow.
okay? Today, we're gonna do a bunch of 3 intermediate and then 2 class 4s, okay? So class 4 is intermediate advanced. Advanced. So everything we just went through is essentially our class 2 plus, all right? Now would be the time to turn on your GoPro.
So we've done.
I think it is on.
Oh, it is on now?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna do 3.
It's been on.
How long is the battery? 2 more.
I don't know.
I'm trying to digest.
Normally it does and everything.
You see the red light?
More life threatening.
I can't. I'm relying on you for that.
Coming up around this bend is Razorback Rapid. This will be our first class 3 rapid to go through. George, you're gonna love it.
Oh,
Nothing I can do.
no, I don't even know you're doing it.
It looks like we have an audience as well. Yeah,
See people.
360. You want to do a 360?
No.
This is your guys' trip. I am very amicable and I'm pliable. We can do whatever you'd like. All right, teams, paddles, ready? Let's get on board. Dig in. Go for it. Keep it going, looking good. Keep going. And stop right there. There's our friend.
I got no right now.
Go like Tom Hanks.
Not bad. Not bad. Good.
Oh, good hit. Nice one. You know, it wouldn't have been complete without the rain, would it?
I know. Hey, you guys wet anyway.
We kind of jinxed ourselves on that one.
What'd you say?
We kind of jinxed ourselves on that one with the rain. All the we talked about it.
The third round?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens with them. No, they're too light. They're too light. They're not gonna hit.
They're not hitting.
They need a heavyweight in there.
Pretty much what they're going to do is try to avoid everything today. But what we want to see them do is not avoid everything today.
You talking about the kayak?
The guys in the little
Yeah,
orange
orange
raft,
one.
yeah, we
Yeah.
want to see them,
Flip.
yeah, fail.
Basically, upside down.
Face down! Yeah, well, God.
Americans are supposed to be kind.
We're not Canadians, I mean.
Welcome to the real world.
They're
Alaska.
equipped. They can float. We're all
Is
right.
that the one you were talking to? Is that the guy you were talking to?
Yeah, I told him, like, there's no way I'm dealing with this. But then I felt bad because I was kind of like being like Captain Ahab to him since I'm in charge of this trip, and so was like, you know what? It's the last day. They're in the prime of their youth.
Right.
Let's see how they do. So
Is this the first time they're doing this?
Oh.
they've done they did the upper section, which is very class 1. It's like this.
All right.
And so I told them this though, if there's any carnage where I have to wait for them or anything, like I'm just gonna leave their asses behind and it'll be a teachable moment for them.
Yeah.
They can walk home.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Yeah.
This is Ice Worm Rapid right here. Ice Worm?
Worm?
Yes. You wanna know why it's named after?
Sure. Got nothing else to do. Stuck
Called
around.
Ice Worm. Right.
So what grade is this?
This is class 3 right here.
Okay.
What we're gonna try to do, friends, today, since I'm feeling robust and full of vigor, I want to gut it right down the middle. All right,
Yeah.
George.
Stone in
Don't
the
fall
middle.
out of the boat. No, we're not gonna hit the rock.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Put your feet in. All forward. Go. There we go. Keep it going. Looking good, team. Keep it up. Keep it going. Hey, take a break. That wasn't so bad. Let's do it all forward again. And stop.
I thought we were going to swing all the way around. We were trying though, weren't we? Bring it back.
Harry, like,
Missing a couple times. Sometimes I might hit you or brush you. It's not because I'm trying to get pressure from George.
So how close to the middle did we get?
We got close. We kind of got knocked off a little bit left. You notice I kind of went on
We were
45.
actually, yeah.
Yeah. But we did good. It honestly, it didn't pulse on me as much as I thought it would. I thought it would break more on us.
Right.
But we still did good though. Let's get it off forward again. Try to hit these waves in front of us. Oh yeah. And stop right there. So if you guys' hands are getting cold, again, just blow on them or move around. It's okay. I know that it's a little chilly today. You can also wave like the queen.
I have to heat one.
So we talked about the pros and cons of Alaska. So the rain sucks.
Yeah.
What are some of the pros?
Mountains. Absolutely wonderful mountains.
yeah.
Like
Incredible.
incredible splendor surrounding you.
None I've never seen. I've been